Hello friends, today we are going to learn about photosynthesis. It's a long word, isn't it? I will tell you the meaning of it. So, do you know the Greek word of photo? The Greek word of photo is light. And the Greek word of synthesis is putting together. Do you know that trees breathe? Yes, they do. And the trees use the photosynthesis process to survive and live. And they just take some little food from the root. And do you know that trees and other kind of plants need sunlight and carbon dioxide and water? And they let out oxygen as actual. Do you know there are little holes called chloroplasts inside the leaves? Now you know. So when the carbon dioxide and the water and the sunlight goes in there, they mix them together to make it as food. And do you know that there are other little holes called chlorophyll that are found in chloroplasts? The chlorophyll makes the leaf look green. So I told you that sunlight and water and carbon dioxide goes inside the holes and the leaves make it as food. Do you know what food they make? They make oxygen and sugar. They use sugar as food and let out oxygen. And some other trees and plants are also the trees and plants are also meant that they are the lungs of the earth. So I hope you learned something new today. Next time we'll learn something new. Bye bye.